Hi, this is Dheeraj Jain. I'm Chief Revenue Officer at JetFerry.ai. Let me share a story with you.
This is the story of Bob the Bee. One day, Bob the Bee is out on his usual route for honey collection. He takes out his list of assigned flowers, flies to one, only to find out that it was the same flower he collected from yesterday. There was barely enough juice to collect. He moves to the next one, but this one is loaded with nectar, as if no one has collected from it for over a week. Bob collects it in his bag and he's full already. He flies back to the hive, unloads, and moves to the next on the list. As he reaches the next assigned flower and is about to collect, his friend Roger flies in. Bob is confused. Roger tells him he's the one assigned to collect from the said flower. They cross-check and it turns out they both were assigned the same flower. What a waste of time! And now which of them collects it? Is your manual assignment lacking updated DPD and often resulting in overlapping your collection resources, causing delays and underutilization of resources? Can this be done better and quicker?
Want to fix it now? Talk to us.